Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about something very scary and horrible. Yes, your first job interview. Why interviews are conducted, why they are so horrible. Interviews are not horrible, they are just a way to know about yourself, to interact with you, that why you want to do that job, what are your strengths, why you have applied for that job, what do you know about that organization, and what you can offer to the organization. But they seem very scary for the ones who are appearing for the interview for the first time, especially if you really need that job. You might have heard a lot that prepare for this, prepare these questions first, be very confident. You just tell them you want it, just don't say anything about the salary, don't do this, wear such clothes, do this, first go there, eat this, do that. These are just the questions related to your mindset that are giving you some self-satisfaction. These questions have nothing to do with your interview. If you are going for an interview, just tell yourself that this is not the only interview that you have to appear for. There might be 1,000 opportunities out there that will be available for you, or you can go for them. That could not be the only job you are going to look for. Interviews give you an opportunity to even improve your communication skills, your presentation skills. They also give you a lot of opportunities to know about different people, to know about different organizations. So the first thing that you must do is that change your mindset. Take interviews as a positive thing. Even if you're not getting the job, first work on yourself, work on your mind. A positive mind, a healthy mind is going to give you 1,000 opportunities afterwards. Another very important thing is, if you are going for an interview, do not try to portray who you are not. Don't brag about yourself. Just stay focused and show your strengths to them. Discuss with them, tell them that you have done this thing in your previous organization, or if you are new to the job, just show them how you have managed different skills throughout your academic career and in your personal life. Do not brag about the things, and especially do not mention those things which you have never done. Another foremost thing is, once you have to appear for an interview, do practice. There are journal questions available on the internet, or you can take help from your teachers or from your family members who have ever conducted any interview or who appeared for different interviews. They can guide you about the journal questions, that how you have to answer them. Instead of giving extra details, or instead of repeating the same details which you have already mentioned in your resume, is a useless thing. Come up with the practical life skills or the other skills which are really required for that job. Tell them how you learned those skills, how you applied those skills, and what you are seeking in your life. Do not share those things which are not relevant to that job, or do not brag about anything. Just be very honest, just be very focused, and just be very confident. Another important strategy is, be very confident. Just imagine that these interviews are conducted by humans, and we are also humans who are going there for the job interview. We are not going to the machines, or we are also not machines. Be very flexible, be very calm and cool. Show your emotions, use some gestures, have a good smile on your face, sit nicely, wear some good clothes. It's not about that it's the last interview, or might be you will not get a chance for another interview in your life. Just come out of that mindset. Be very confident. It's okay if they say no to you. What is going to happen? You will just come back and you will prepare for another interview. If you really need a job, trust me, if you are confident and if you have worked on your mindset, you are going to get a job sooner or later in a very good organization. Another very important strategy is that listen to the interviewer very carefully. If the interviewer is asking you any specific questions or journal questions, first listen to them. Understand those questions, what they are asking, and do not jump towards the answers very quickly without listening to them. And do not get very overexcited, do not get very over ambitious about something. Keep yourself cool and calm. It's going to help you out in giving proper answers to the interviewer, because they also check your ability, that how you interpret the questions and how you are going to answer to them. Be confident. Tell them honestly everything. What are your plans? Share your future plans with the organization. If they ask you what do you think, where do you see yourself after 5 years, do share some answer. Do share something that after 5 years I plan to see myself on this position or doing this kind of task or learning such skills. Listen to the interviewer very carefully and patiently. If they are going to ask you any questions that are very general, listen to them first, analyze them, and then answer properly. Instead of just jumping quickly onto the answers and becoming very over ambitious or over excited, that is not going to help you out, because you are still not there on the job. You are just sharing yourself. You are just telling them who you are. They are looking you. They are trying to scan you for the job. So try to act normal, stay cool and calm, and jumping quickly onto the answers is not a good strategy. Tell them your plans as well. Where do you see yourself after 5 years? That's okay. If you have some plans, if you really want to see yourself on a particular position, that's okay. But do share with them everything. Salary. Do not immediately tell them that these are your expectations. No, that's a bad strategy. First, listen what they are offering or what are the job responsibilities. Once they ask you about the salary expectations, do tell them that you are expecting the salary that should match with the job responsibilities in the market level. Do not give them a particular salary figure to them. Instead, just tell them that you need a good match with the job responsibilities, because you are carrying such skills and such kind of experience. Even if you are new, you have to tell them that you are looking forward to them, because you need a good match between the skills, the job responsibilities and the salary, so that it will help them to identify that how much you are eager to perform, how much you are career oriented instead of money oriented. That's right, that we work for the money, but when you are preparing for the interviews, you have to first tell them that what is actually your worth, where do you see yourself, what you are capable of. Do you really match with that salary amount, or do you want more salary, or do you know for which job you have applied, or do you know about the job responsibilities? Sometimes we do not check about the particular job and its responsibilities, and we just share what we need from them. That doesn't give a good impression. First, you should know that you are applying for that particular job, and that job requires such responsibilities, and that will be the requirement of the salary afterwards. This is something very crucial, where most of the people, they just share what they want. We want this amount of salary, then we will work. No. First, tell them that you are really career oriented. You have something to offer to the organization, and this much you can do for the organization. Then comes the money. You can earn money, but it's very important that you have to work with full confidence according to the job requirement. Once you are done with the interview, the most important thing is how you are going to say bye-bye to them or say thank you to them. After the interview, you have to say thank you for the opportunity that you called me for the interview. I will look forward to you. You can also send an email to the organization. You can take a feedback about your interview. That puts a very good impression on the organization, that the person realizes that interview is a good thing. It's a good opportunity for a person to learn so many things.